Hi, this is titled Moments by me, Delise, Lily, Kellyanna Moet. YouTube me? Okay. That moment. That moment, everything becomes awkward. When large rooms become silenced. When tamed rage becomes violence. That moment. That moment that you swore but never changed becomes the moment that actually rearranged things. Now your views are no longer the same because your thoughts are going insane. Sanity getting further and further out of range. That moment you wish never came. Now you cry because you don't know where your smile is. Now you've developed hate where your heart is. No longer sweet kisses where your mouth is. Just doubt about this moment. Living in the awkwardness and torment when moments don't last for just moments. We get comatose, zone out, come back and think we still living in the same moments, not realizing that we've become a different man or woman. Moments that brought fear upon our life. Moments that at moments felt just right. Moments weren't meant to last lifetimes because their chronological scheduling wouldn't be right. So why don't we turn those moments into memories and let's designate what they were meant to be instead of designating a moment to determine or possibly destroy our destiny? Because moments are just moments. That's all they were meant to be. Moments. May your moments be well. God bless.